First and foremost, what Hillside Dams is known as the Hillside Dams Conservancy. And here at the Hillside Dams, we are conserving indigenous trees. Come by and do some bit of rock climbing if you have fascinated about that. We also have bird watching sessions, so those who are keen on bird watching, they come. People also are not aware that we are a campsite, so you can come through if even for a beginner, especially if you're trying your first at camping, you can come and do it out at Hillside Dams.